Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our Vision viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. Chaston White's criticism of Jay-Z gains relevance as new sexual assault allegations surface. New allegations against Jay-Z in a 2000 assault case bring renewed attention to White's comment on the rapper. Chaston White's harsh word about Jay-Z made during our 2nd December 2023 YouTube appearance on Funky Friday have gained renewed significance after serious sexual assault allegations against the rapper were made public in a recent civil lawsuit. The associations, which have emerged alongside a broader legal battle involving C. Diddy Combs, put Biden's criticism of Jay-Z's past conduct in a new light, raising questions about celebrity accountability. On 8 December 2024, it was revealed that a woman referred to as Jane Doe had amended a lawsuit entirely filed against Combs in October to also include Jay-Z as a defendant. The lawsuit alleges that the woman, then 13 years old, was sexually assaulted by both Combs and Jay-Z at an after-party following the 2000 MTV Video Music Award. According to the suit, the woman claims she became disoriented after drinking at the party and wandered into a bedroom where she was allegedly raped by Jay-Z, first followed by Combs. The woman says she fled the scene after isolating Combs in an attempt to escape. Jay-Z has strongly denied the allegation, calling them heinous and criticizing the legal team for filing a civil lawsuit rather than a criminal complaint. In his statement to CNN, he dismissed the lawsuit as a blackmail attempt and challenged the plaintiff's attorneys. However, the new legal proceedings have added weight to the association's White made on a podcast interview. In his appearance on Funky Friday, White accused Jay-Z of being complicit in a culture of ignoring celebrities' inappropriate behavior, particularly referencing past allegations about Jay-Z's relationship with Foxy Brown when she was 16. White commented, "You don't hurt nobody," said, "I have done wrong to nobody. It's always what he said this. That's why they ignored Jay-Z action when Foxy Brown came out and said he was putting that honesty in her when she was 16. White's claims were controversial at the time but have now gained fresh context in these new series allegations. The amended lawsuit, which also accuses Jay-Z of harassment and intimidation against the plaintiff's legal team, brings attention to the growing concern over how powerful figures in entertainment are often shielded from serious security. So if we just go, come on now. That's why actions don't speak louder than words to black people, because if you go to look at the actions, you look at Darren can't keep a marriage. He's been divorced how many times? This is a man who done abuse multiple women. White's comment, although inflammatory, seems to have anticipated a broader conversation about accountability in the entertainment industry, which now seems more relevant than ever with this new lawsuit. While Jay-Z's legal team has denied the accusations and he has publicly defended himself, the case against him and his efforts to silence the plaintiff legal team have put him at the center of a legal firestorm. The amended lawsuit also accuses Jay-Z of orchestrating a campaign of harassment, intimidation, and bullying against the plaintiff attorneys in an attempt to prevent her from naming him as a defendant. Jay-Z has denied these scams, calling them part of an extortion scheme, but his new development adds further complexity to his public image. While criticism of Jay-Z, particularly his previous comments about Jay-Z's alleged actions with Foxy Brown, now seems even more prescient. It raises larger questions about why certain public figures are scrutinized for their actions while others, especially those with immense power, are often protected by their fame and influence. As the case progresses, Jay-Z and his legal team are preparing to fight the accusations in court. Get your daily close of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.